German tortoise thing going on.
Yeah, did you hear that? I just thought of another cheesy song. It goes like this. Oh, don't go anywhere. Hey folks, how you doing? Hope you're well. Welcome to another video and welcome to the first Audax event of the 2023 season. I'm here at Drotwich Spa for a little 200 kilometres and it seems to be well attended. Lots of bikes as I look around. Lots of folk have turned up for this one. So this is kind of West Midlands, just south of Birmingham. 200 kilometres. I don't know much about the routes because I've never really ridden around here before. I'm not paying any attention to the terrain, so I don't know how hilly it's going to be. Can't be that bad. It's West Midlands. Surely it's going to be pretty flat. So weather-wise, it's looking a bit gloomy at the moment. Hopefully the sun will come out a little bit later. It don't want to be too sunny away because guess what? I didn't bring my sunglasses. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Well, hopefully it's not going to be too much spray. It's been dry the last few days. So yeah, I best get in there. And I don't know if I need to get a brevet card because I'm going to try and use the E-brevet thing. So I'll talk to you more about that a little bit later on. Got this guy's attention straight away. Just gone to put my gloves on. I've got one full finger gloves and one fingerless gloves. I'll tell you what though, it's a lot better than maybe 3-4 years ago. I did a ride down in Norfolk and Suffolk and I called it the autumn two left hands or something because I had two left hands, but at least I didn't get that bit wrong. It's time for the quick briefing before we go ahead. So it's 210 kilometres today.
I wish you all the best for today. If you're unable to finish, if you can just please let me know so we're not wondering where you are at 10 o'clock this evening. Other than that, have a good day, have a good ride.
That's it, we're off. Started. It's November, mild, very mild November morning. Morning, you alright?
Yeah. Good to meet you at long last.
What's your name, sorry?
I'm Mark.
Hi Mark.
I've just watched loads of your videos on YouTube when I've been bored at home.
There's plenty there to keep you entertained.
Yeah. Watching the big one you did across Europe recently. Beautiful but painful as well.
Yeah, especially on that last parkour.
Yeah.
This is well attended, isn't it?
Yeah, really good.
Well, there's 68 apparently.
Not a lot of choice at this time of year, I suppose.
No,
and it's in the middle of the country, so good to get out of the group.
Yeah. Well, I'm blessed with the weather.
Yeah.
Now that you've touched my useless heart.
Just right at the front pack. Decided to drop off the front for a little while. It's not my usual territory at all. And being a headwind as well doesn't help. It's a beautiful day though. Just can't wait to see the sun come out.
Take me out, I wanna hear big drums inside my ears.
Well, if I knew this was going to be the case, I got my camera out sooner. I've just left Crowle in Lincolnshire and now I'm going for Crowle in Worcestershire. Coincidence, complete coincidence. I didn't know there was a village called Crowle here, but I didn't know we were going through today. It's not quite the Crowle to Crowle ride I'd imagined because I drove here, but one day I will ride it.
That's my way. That's my way.
I was going to say I'm enjoying a tandem sandwich, but they've just overtaking me on the right there. So just get out of the wind a bit. It's a tough old wind heading south. And you know me, I'm not one for racing everywhere. I'm here for the experience, the enjoyment of it all. Especially this early on. I just thought of another cheesy song. It goes like this. Oh, don't go anywhere. Paradise. There you go. I won't do it again. Paradise. So a few miles shy of Tewkesbury, which is the first control point during this Audax today. As I mentioned earlier on, I'm using the E-brevet app for the first time ever. I'll show you how to use it once we get there. But it's dead easy. All done. A single press of a button. So this is literally the app in front of me. And all I'm going to do when I get towards Tewkesbury, which I'm about to cross the line, is you just simply press that tab and that's it, job done. I may have meant to press the top one to start it. It'll probably warn me as I do it. Let's see what happens. Please register at the first control. So it seems because I didn't register at the first control, I can't use the app now. So I'm looking for a cash machine, get a receipt. Just do it the old way. I brought the card with me. Thankfully bought a pencil to write with, so fail. So yes, back onto pen and paper. A little bit disappointed with myself not for realising. So I'm beyond Tewkesbury, heading for the possibly the highest part of the ride. At some point I'll show you what bike and ride today in my setup. Suffice to say, I've got my winter tyres on and it's a little bit sluggish, to be honest. I can tell you the 32C Conti hard shell, so they're definitely built for the winter, and today's not winter riding day, you know, feeling quite sluggish. So here I am slugging along a bit, but it's that first Audax ride of the 2023 season. I'm here for the fun. I'm here just to get out, enjoy myself, ride bike, socialise. I'm not here with any intention of riding around at speed and pace, just taking it all quite literally, really. Taking in some new scenery, looking at different things, which is always good. I do love riding out different places, seeing different things, seeing different parts of the UK. That's pretty serious elevation going on there. First climb of the day, 107. Woo. That's pretty tough for the West Midlands. It's fair to say that was a bastard of a climb, and I don't even get a view. So this is my Sonder Cleabury. It's a titanium road bike. If you've watched the channel, you probably no doubt see me riding this for the Audax over the last few years. It's nearly a gravel. It's got massive clearance on the front, up to 36C tyres. Not really used as a gravel bike. So carbon forks, titanium frame, 2 water bottles, and one of these tool bottle cage thingamajigs. Gearing, it's oval chainring up front from Absolute Black. The ratio on it is 4:6:30. Needed all those gears on the TCR, that's for sure. And on the back, it's a Shimano Ultegra 5034. A chain, that's a 12-speed SRAM Eagle, I do believe. So I've got this really useful Rock Brothers top tube bag. Just got stuff with food. Nothing underneath the handlebars today because it's just not cold enough, apart from this bell, which I pushed out of the way so I can get aero on those tri-bars on this ride. Garmin 530 plus, mobile phone underneath the quad lock, and on the back I've got a Rock Brothers saddle bag, just bits of clothing in there today. I think there's an extra inner tube in there, maybe a few bits of bobs. I think there's a light as well. I've got a exposure light to go on the helmet, so that's hiding away in there as well. Mud guards and hiding on here. I've covered it in a food bag, but this is my pump. That's the Toe Peak. I can't remember which one it is. As far as clothing's concerned, arms are out, legs are out. Dressed in everything from Atticus, bib shorts. You see nice big pockets. I'm probably going to do kind of a review on these because really good price, and they've got pockets. You usually pay a lot extra for that. Jersey from them, the lime one.
You've got a real hare and tortoise thing going on.
Yeah, did you hear that? And I got this Atticus gilet on as well, or vest, or whatever you like to call it. I was going to say I got the cold socks on, but I chose to wear these ones, kind of just unbranded things from Audax or something, I don't know, I can't remember. Shimano mountain bike shoes and cleats. So that's my whole kit, my bike for this ride, so maybe get some ideas from that. Right, better get moving because I'm starting to get cold again. It's always this case in November, even if the weather's really nice, you stop, that wind gets to you, you cool off. Especially when you've just got a 200, especially having to go up a 200-metre climb. Oh yeah, I've got my glasses as well, so I'm not wearing those today. I can't remember what normally I wear. I'm still not set on what particular glasses I'm wearing. I need to shop around a little bit. I have a habit of losing glasses, so I don't like to spend too much money. If money was no obstacle, I'll get something from Sun God or Oakley's or something, but to me, sunglasses are sunglasses. They serve one purpose: to keep shit out your eyes. Right, I'm in the Cotswolds. I'm going to sit back and enjoy it, seeing what scenery I can enjoy. I do love riding the Cotswolds. I wonder if we're going to go through Broadway.
I wanna lay my head and feel the beat. That's my way. That's my way.
I see that Katie Tewkesbury and Paul Jenko down doing the Moonrakers and Sunsakers this weekend. That 300-kilometre overnighter in the southwest. I mentioned that because Katie's a big fan of stone walls. I'm not sure down south there's many walls like this. Ooh, I think I just saw a robin. That's unusual in November. Oh, it's such a mild November anyway.
It's not a big thing, but it's so hard. Now that you've touched my useless heart. It's not a big thing, but I wanted to start. Now that you've touched my useless heart.
So I'm not far from my second control stop now, or third actually. It's the second receipt stop for lunch. It's coming up to well, it's 20 to 1. Stop in a place called Whitney. I won't do any singing, honest. I'm actually quite hungry now. He's been eating on snacky stuff. But it's been a great ride so far. Got some great views. If you've never been to Worcestershire before, or the Cotswolds, come check it out. First proper stop, Londis Shell Garage. I should really be avoiding Shell, considering they're sponsoring British cycling now, but never thought of that. I'm enjoying a Southern Fried Chicken wrap. Got a big tub of Pringles. They were actually £1.69. It's the cheapest thing. Anyway, can't talk. Just keep moving along. Pringles on Audax. Awesome. So I'm heading back north at the moment, which means a nice little tailwind. Always look forward to those.
That's my way. That's my It's not a big thing, but it's so hard. Now that you've touched my useless heart. It's not a big thing, but I wanted to start. Now that you've touched my useless heart. Take me out, I wanna hear big
Guess what? Of course it won't be an Audax without co-op. Well, Stour-on-Stour, whatever it's called. Stayed there for about 15 minutes. Currently going through Ilmington and maybe you can tell it's starting to get dark now. It's about 4:15. Yes, the blue hour. I think that's what they call it, the blue hour. So the rear lights are on. It's about to put my front lights on and flash into the darkness for a couple of hours back to Droitwich. If you've got any comments, questions, stick them down below. Did you ride this one with me? How did you find it? The weather has been exceptionally good. I mean, look at that sky. I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but hues of blue in there. Still mild, look, arms are out. Although, that's just me, a bit odd like that. I'll be covering up in the next half an hour though, I think I'll be getting cold. Coming up to 4:30. One good thing about these clear days is, you know, you can watch the sun go down later and later, which is very pleasurable. Get a bit better. Some more hills up there. It's been a great one, this one. It's been the Salinae and Cotswolds 200km Audax. Anyway, you probably can't see much now, so I'll see you at the end. Is this automatic, is it?
I would love some soup.
Yes, I can take us away now. Yeah, you take it away.
I would love chicken, please.
Well, that's it, right over with. Had a really good time. They had a really great soup in there as well, chicken broth, so well done to whoever cooked that. It was really, really nice. I need to get moving, it's nearly 7 o'clock. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any comments, questions, as always, stick them down below. And if you was here, let me know, how did you find it? For me, take care, see you again soon, bye bye.